Good morning, ma'am.
Namaskar everyone. I hope you all good morning, beta. So Devansh, Krishiv, Henil, Dharani, Dhruvi, Dia Sanghi, Harsh, Nelly Patel, Dave, Krishiv, Sneha, all are there. Thank you so much for joining this class. Okay.
Ma'am,
My name
Fine,
is
let
not
us
Sneha,
start.
my name is Sneh.
Sneh. Okay, Sneh.
Ma'am.
Okay, fine. Sneha.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have given two books, English grammar and English literature. So, ma'am, you had not check English grammar. My one poem and two chapters are remaining to check.
See. Listen, what happened when you are all sending the books or notebook? What happened? Few students, they have made some different notebooks. That is not school notebook. Okay, so it's little bit confusing. When you are sending your books or notebook to teachers, okay, in English book, you keep all the material, study material of English in that book, make a bunch and send. Okay, so the teacher will take out only English bunch, not other. Okay, because sometimes what happened, it is this.
Partition. Ma'am, I have two books. Ma'am, I have two books, English grammar and English literature. And I had
Okay, fine.
The book.
Okay, after the prayer we will talk, okay?
And English
Yes,
grammar notebook.
Okay, let's start the prayer first. All of you join your hands, close your eyes. Okay, start. Today we are going to do Ganpati mantra, Ganesha mantra, okay? Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvighnam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryasu Sarvada. Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvighnan Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryasu Sarvada. Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvighnan Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryasu Sarvada. Om
Shanti, Shanti.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
My voice is low because see, whenever I get call, okay, it happens. I'm going to disconnect.
Ma'am, please connect the.
Excuse me, ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Get your voice again. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
अरे रुक मैं कुछ अपना कर रहे होंगे.
Yes, Devansh, you are audible. Huh?
Thank you. Ma'am.
Is it clear now, all of you?
Yes, ma'am. But
Yes, ma'am, your voice is clear now.
Attendees list.
Okay. What happens if somebody calls me during lecture, okay? So it's showing that my voice is low to you, okay? So for that I have to disconnect and rejoin the meeting.
If you are using full Wi-Fi,
Fine.
then you should take out the SIM card so there will be no calls.
I'm not able to listen you clearly. Somebody is saying something, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Devan Saptani, please. Leave the meeting and rejoin so that I will be able to listen.
Hello, ma'am.
Write down in chat box, beta. Yes.
Ma'am, I was saying that if you are using the school Wi-Fi, then you should take out the SIM card so there will be no other calls.
Now actually what happening, my own network.
Okay, ma'am.
Your network only. Okay, we'll try. Fine. So all the 7th D students are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
So in the what have we done in the last class? Chapter number 1 done, right? Chapter number 2 also done. Chapter 1, chapter 2 done. So today we are going to revise the poem.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, chapter 2 ki,
Yes, beta.
in chapter 2 test is remaining. Online test.
Chapter 2, what is remaining? Online
Online.
test is remaining. Okay, that I remember. Okay. But explanation everything has done, right? Okay. Wait a minute. Everybody is going to share their link in this group and you are going to attend that. Okay. So who has prepared online quiz? Please share your link here so everybody join. Quickly share your link.
Ma'am, in the Hanuman and I chapter I had made, but this time I had not made because you had not tell.
I have already
Ma'am,
given you as homework, beta. You check that WhatsApp group.
Oh, sorry, ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. See, Honey has shared. Please check it. Honey Adesara has shared her link. All of you click that link. Honey, please share with us that result also. Okay. So you have 5 minutes time to complete this task. Quickly do it. I'm
Ma'am,
going to turn
Honey-
off my video so that you can get good.
Ma'am, honey test
Yeah,
is
Honey
of
has said-
chapter 1.
Yes, ma'am. It's of chapter 1.
Let me click then. Yes, Neil. I know that. Aditi has told me this. Let me check. Honey has made of chapter number. Okay, Honey, you have made chapter number 1, beta. Hanuman and I. Okay, let's start. Let's complete now. What's the big deal? Let's start. Chapter 1 or chapter 2? What's the big deal? Let's start.
Hello,
I'm
ma'am,
going to
am I-
start
but
it.
ma'am,
Okay, let's see.
no connect. Hello, ma'am, am I audible now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Now I connected my other headphones, so I was just confirming.
Okay, fine. Okay, let's see. What
Ma'am,
was the first
there are-
mistake author
Ma'am.
did?
Ma'am,
Hmm?
ma'am, in question 2, there is not MCQ. It is short question answer.
First one, okay. Listen, first and second question you skip. Now start from question number 3. Which role she is finally offered? Okay. How Rupa was feeling after she get the role of the monkey in the Vanar Sena. Beta, you haven't given option, so we have to write she was happy.
Ma'am, question 5 is also not MCQ.
That is subjective answer. Okay, where you are not having option, fine, there you have to write it.
Ma'am,
Why
I had
Alka
opened this.
perform in the
Ma'am.
act?
Excuse
Yes?
me, ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am, I opened these 3 times again and again, ma'am. Quiz are different on 3 times.
See, wherever she has left the space, we have to write in it. Who was the son? Who was the Sorry, who is the son of Pavan Dev?
Ma'am, she did
There's
a
some
mistake.
grammatical mistake. Yeah, mistake, but it's
Ma'am,
okay,
also
beta.
one.
We
Ma'am,
all are.
one also.
We all
Who
are.
is the author of the book Hanuman and I? It is not book, it is a chapter.
That is the chapter. Okay. We understood now. You just click the right answer. How much mistake? How many mistakes the author did? Okay. What is the meaning of infuriated? 10th number. Who is the author of the chapter Hanuman and I? Question number 1, 2, and 4th number. You have to type your answer. What was the first mistake author did?
Ma'am, you leave that quiz and then again open that link. Ma'am, the questions will be different.
That means what happens? He has shuffled it. When
Yes,
you
ma'am,
go
it
for
is-
shuffling,
it is
okay,
that
you will get.
option in that.
That's only. I'm also attending the test, okay? Let's see.
Ma'am, I
What
have
is the
failed
name
all the-
of
Ma'am, my answer was right that ma'am in eighth one that the speaker don't pin her tail. Ma'am, but she has written that she don't pin her tail, and I written first mistake was she not
Ma'am.
pin her tail. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
so
can
then
I say
also
one
it is
thing?
wrong.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
she
can I
forgot
say
to
one
pin
thing?
that is correct option.
Ma'am, can I say one thing?
Yes.
Ma'am, it is because that who made this quiz wrote only one answer, and if that is only same without any grammatical mistake, then only it will be right. If we write any other type of answer, means any other shuffled word,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
wrong. We should only make MCQs on this, ma'am.
First question, it is like that, ma'am.
What
It is
happened?
wrong that she had made that.
In subjective test.
Ma'am,
Yes, I got it back, ma'am. Then the question is that one question is wrong. That what is beam of author? Then I write to play the role of Rama, Hanuman and Lakshman. Then it is also wrong. Wrong answer.
No,
it is correct answer.
all the short answers will be wrong of everyone. मैम कोई भी करेगा उसके short answers will be wrong only.
Yes.
Only MCQs can be right.
मैम एक क्वेश्चन के बोलो वहाँ के मेरे 6 मार्क कट गए.
Ma'am, she
It's okay, no
wrote
problem.
each question 2 marks. So I got 14 out of 20. Only my short answers were wrong. Instead they were right.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I send my link?
Ma'am, I got 12 out of 20.
Ma'am,
And 20 out of 12.
can I send my link? Ma'am, can I send my link?
Okay, what subjective questions? Okay, whatever the subjective questions are there, maybe you found that is mistakes. Okay, so which role is she finally offered? The answer is Ajay so finally offered. That would be your a monkey in Vanasena. Monkey in a Vanasena. Okay, and Rupa was feeling after she get the roles of the monkeys in Vanasena. She was happy.
Ma'am,
because
can
she
I
didn't
send my link?
Yes.
I
Now
also
second one.
learned that happy then it is answer come wrong.
Ma'am, it is of
It's
chapter
okay.
1 only.
See what happened? Those are listen. Those are going to make quizzes. Okay, make MCQ. If you are asking subjective
Ma'am, I have made only
subjective questions
MCQs.
over
Can I
there,
send?
you have written answer different way. If there will listen first. If there will be any, if you are forgetting to put a comma or hyphen, then also they are not getting full marks. So better don't ask subjective question in quiz. Okay. If you are asking subjective type question, you give options for all the subjective answer, so that everybody will get full answer of. For example, 1 minute, let me give you an example. For example, why did the teacher give role of Hanuman to Rupa? So this is subjective type question. So what would be your option? Option number 1, because she wanted. Second option, because Alka was ill. Third, because Rupa was her favorite student. Now fourth number option can be because no one interested. So which option is correct? Option 2 is correct because I have to choose the right option. Okay. Yes. If you are giving you can ask to others the subjective question. But if you are asking subjective question, you should give option like this. All the subjective option you have to give, so that everybody can click the right option. If you are writing only one sentence, what way you have written, we don't know. Okay, so students will not get mark at all.
Ma'am, can I
okay,
send
all of you done everything?
Ma'am, can I send my link?
Now what we are going to do is we have already. Don't kill time, beta. I have to revise also, right? We have to do revision of chapter 3 and okay. Dharani also shared her link. Okay, at the last before 5 minutes.
I have only 10 question only. Easy 10 question.
Okay.
Ma'am, but I have also done.
Fine. Listen. So we are going to attend Dharani's and Diya Sangvi's link, and Manav also said. But before 5 minutes of ending class, okay? Before 5 minutes, we are going to do all.
Ma'am, I also shared.
Yes, I got it.
Ma'am,
Now let us understand this poem.
Ma'am, in Diya Sangvi's test, there is a question that how many mistakes did she make? Ma'am, there is no option of right answer.
It's okay, beta. This is not only practice.
Ma'am, in Diya Sangvi's it is of that
and
only
what
we
happened?
attended now.
See, listen.
Ma'am,
Why
in Diya
this is
Sangvi's
happening? Because it is for the first time. Now, no discussion about this, okay? See, all the mistakes are happening because we are doing at the first time. If you will be practiced more and more, we will not do any mistakes. So let it be, okay? So the poem, the hero, it's also called poem or poem. Both are correct. If somebody is saying poem, that means don't get confused. Poem means poem only. In Indian English, you have to say poem, but in British English, that is poem. Why is it lacking? Because of, I think, network issue. Wait for a moment. It's okay. Fine. So what happened in this story? There is a young boy. Okay, the poem is like a story. There is a young boy. Okay, and he is going to imagine. He is going to imagine something with his mother. Okay, a young boy. He is the main character of the poem, and he is going to imagine with his mother, a dream with his mother. So both are going to dream something. Okay, so the boy said at the very first that he asked to his mother to imagine something, and then the both would be traveling. Mother and the young boy would be traveling. Traveling to which type of area? They will travel to a strange and
dangerous country.
Yes, of course, dangerous country. Okay, so the boy asks to his mother to imagine something, and they both are going to dream or imagine that they are traveling through a strange and dangerous country. Strange means unknown. Okay, they are going to travel to unknown country. Okay, and he also created a scene that his mother, the mother was in a palanquin. Palanquin means palki, and the boy, or you can say the son, was on a red horse. Okay, this is the first scene the boy has explained to his mother, that both are traveling through a strange and dangerous country, and the mother, she is in a palanquin, and the boy, he is on a red color horse. Okay, understood this much, everyone? Understood?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Okay, done, fine. Now, okay, remember this map so that you will be able to answer all questions. Yeah, beta, thank you. Let me change the ink. Okay, fine. Then after that, the boy said that, what is the time? It was evening time. Okay, and they have reached to the place known as Chora Digi. And where is the place Chora Digi? Chora Digi, it is in the border of Bangladesh. I am writing BD for Bangladesh. Okay, and he says that the place, it was grey. Grey means nothing was there, lifeless. Okay, lifeless, and you can also say barren. The place was looking grey, lifeless, and barren. Nobody was there. Okay, that's why he has expressed or described as the place is dangerous. Okay, so what happened? The mother, the mother of the story, she was afraid. She was afraid of the scene. What she could see. She was afraid of the scene and thinking about Rama. Okay, and she said that they should not go on or go forward. Okay, and the boy has explained that the road or the way is, it is prickly grass, that is prickly and spiky prickly and spiky grass, which is prickly and spiky grass, and it was looking so rough when they are moving. And he also said that when they reached to the place, they could see that there was something sound danger, okay, and the mother could see the light from the bank of river, okay. The mother could see the light from the bank of river, the bank of river, okay, fine. And after that, what happened? After that, the boy noticed that there was light near bank of river, and that was coming forward to them. Okay, it was like that somebody was holding the light of fire, and they were running towards them in a frightened way. So we have come page number 24, all the parts. Okay, let me revise it very quickly again. So the boy asked to his mother to imagine something. Okay, and the mother and the boy started imagining that they are traveling through a dangerous or strange country. Okay, and the mother was in a palanquin and the boy was in a red colored horse. Okay, and they reached to the place where nothing was there, totally barren. Okay, no life, nobody was there, and it is the place named known as Joradigi. It is in the border of Bangladesh. Okay, fine. So then the boy explained that the place it has prickly and spiky grasses. When they are moving forward, it was happening to itchy kinds of. They are feeling some itchiness over the legs area. So he has expressed that, because when you go to the dense forest where people hardly walk or move, there you can find this type of grass. Okay, that is not smooth at all. The mother could see that. Okay, yeah, one more thing I have forgot to add, that all the animals or cattle, buffaloes or goat, everything, they had already gone to their places. They back to their places, so nothing was there. The mother could see the light from the bank of river. Okay, it was coming forward to them or moving forward to them, and she asked to her son that to notice that light, and the boy quickly noticed. And what happened next, that we are going to discuss in page number 25. I'm going to rub this part. Listen everything clearly so that you are able to frame questions. Okay, now moving to page number 25. Okay, in page number 25, the narrator is a young boy. He says that his mother was sitting in a cross. Okay, his mother was sitting
Ma'am, palanquin.
in a
Palanquin.
in a palanquin, but in cross means chakri मार के बैठ करना, मतलब like a prayer.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Like
Cross in a palanquin, and she was repeating the name of names of God to save their life. Okay, and she was staring, she was frightened also, she was scaring of that. And the bearer means who all were holding the palanquin. Okay, the bearers hide themselves in the bearers hide themselves in a thorny bushes. Thorny means कांटेदार, that means okay, चुभने वाला. Thorny bushes in fear of, okay, or in terror. That means dar ke they hide themselves. Okay. Then what happened? The mother said that not to fight with that villain, because the villains, okay, or the dacoits, they were looking so strong, and he is a young boy. You can see in the picture it has given. So they are looking, you know, physically fit, bold, and the young boy is like of your age only. How stronger you can find, right? So the mother was worried and said that not to fight with the villains, okay, leave and hide.
Ma'am,
But the boy was not angry at all. He said that anyhow he will fight with the villains. Yes, somebody was saying something here.
yes, ma'am, I am saying Devansh.
Yes, Devansh.
Ma'am, I was saying that the young boy is like Chota Packet Bada Dhamaka.
Yes, छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका.
तेरे
Yes,
जैसा
yes,
नहीं, मैं तो बड़ा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका.
yes. Fine. Okay, okay. But don't try to speak in Hindi, okay? Don't take advantage. See what
Okay,
happened? The mother did not fight with
I am big packet big
the
boy.
boy. Okay, fine. So the mother denied to fight with the villains, and the boy said that no, anyhow he would fight with villains and save both lives. Okay. So what happened? The boy, anyhow, may I turn it? No, let it back. Is it okay for you, all of you? Okay. So what happened?
Is it okay?
Later on, the boy,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, the boy started. Let me speak. The boy started fighting with the villains, and he fought such a way bravely. He cut them. Okay, he cut them into pieces. Okay, he cut them into pieces, and many of the villains, and many they ran away from that place. Okay, so this is the, and after fighting with the villain, he returns. Okay, the boy returns. It is not actually happening. They both are imagining something. Okay, the boy returns to his mother. Okay, and the mother was happy seeing her son. The mother was happy seeing her son. Okay, fine. Then this here all the in page number 24 and 25, all the imagination part is over. In page number 25, 26, the boy said that why this type of incident not happening in day-to-day life. There are many things happening around, many things happening day by day. All the bravery work is happening. So many incidents or accidents are happening. Why his dream is not becoming true for him? Okay, and everybody would praise the mother and the son. That what a lucky mother she is. Okay, if her child would not be there with her, then it will be very tough time to her to protect her life. So in this way, everybody will praise her son and the mother. Okay. And he says that his brother always says that he is delicate. Okay, the meaning of delicate means soft. Delicate means kamjor or najuk. Okay, delicate means very soft or najuk. Okay, as you all know, the younger. What happened, Aditi? Aditi Hirani? That rubber band should be tied on. That is not bracelet. I will do like this, but not in class. Okay, Aditi? Good. You can tie it up. Fine. So what happened? So his brother thinks that he is very delicate, very najuk or something like that. That's why he cannot fight against a villain, but he wants that his dream should be comes true, so that everybody would praise the mother and son. So this is all about the poem, the hero. Now it is your turn that you are going to frame questions and you are passing me. Okay? Pass me so that I will ask to other. Yeah, I have already told. Yeah. Let me ask you a few questions. Then you are going to attend their test. Let me check.
We have to play it.
Their links. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Rani. Get the link.
Ma'am, I had also shared.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Ma'am, Devansh had also shared the link.
That I have told, beta.
Ma'am, please tell Prisha Kadiva to be mute.
I'm going to mute you all.
Ma'am,
I have changed
one Rupari Parmar to mute.
option
Beta, one by one.
Ma'am, the voice is from Dia Sangvi's house.
It's okay, beta. Whosoever. What's the big deal? Let it be.
Ma'am, I am saying that I have changed one option in that question. Then they can attend that. I have sent new link. Okay.
Okay, you have sent new link. Okay.
Ma'am, we
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
go in this link. Ma'am,
She has
can I
just now
send my
shared the
link?
new link. You have to click on that link.
Ma'am, can I send my link?
Quickly share your link so that other students will participate. Okay?
Ma'am, there are
Other
four links.
students, they have to click on the link. And those who already prepared the link, they are also going to click on others link. Quickly do it. You have only 5 minutes time to complete
Do
this
in
task.
only one link.
Go
Otherwise,
now. Okay, no problem. I'm going to turn off my camera, okay? Now, no need to complain about other, whatever they have done, just attend. In the next preparation or next practice paper, they will correct. Okay? Then, बंद करो. गुजराती नहीं आती ना.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, hello, ma'am. Ma'am, in
Yes, beta.
link there is one wrong, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. How many mistakes she made? It is.
See, listen.
The answer is
If somebody
a
has
poor
listened, 1 minute, 1 minute. Why don't listen? First listen. I told you before clicking on that link that if somebody has done any mistake, it's okay because this is their first time and they have made a question according to their understanding. Are you getting? See, your understanding level is different, other understanding level is different. So according to their understanding, they have made. If something wrong, I am going to clear that. Okay?
Ma'am, in Dia's link, 7th and 8th, please see that.
You just write down.
Ma'am, how much mistake she did, ma'am?
It's 4.
Dia?
Ma'am, I chose the 4, but the answer is wrong, ma'am. What I have to do, ma'am?
It's okay if you are choosing
Ma'am,
4.
in Dia's link, there is no 4.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, in
but
Riya's link, the answer is 4.
Ma'am,
In
No
Riya's
problem.
link, there is no option of 4.
excuse me, ma'am. Say them
No, you
to
consider it correct. If you have,
Ma'am.
if there is no option, listen, if there is no option of 4 or she has written, click on the wrong answer, you just consider it is your right. Okay?
3 is the right answer in that, ma'am.
Ma'am, in new link there has been change. Say them to join the new link.
No. It is
Okay,
new
join
link,
the
but
new
it
link,
is
beta.
Ma'am, I have in new link, but
Listen, what happened? Sometimes what happened? It shuffles. So some
Ma'am,
question
can
that goes down, some come up. I'm
Ma'am, can
sending
I-
Dia's link again.
ma'am,
This
can
is
I
Dia's
send
link.
one-
Now you all of you complete your task. Let me know the result.
Ma'am, in that I got 17 by 19. Can I send my link now?
Okay.
Ma'am, I have sent my link. मैम ये क्वेश्चन सही नहीं लिखते फिर हमारे को रॉन्ग पढ़ते हैं
Ma'am,
see my link.
see the answer.
See my link.
Because I
Ma'am.
get notification that this much students attend the link. That's why.
Okay,
So
fine.
ma'am, I
Ma'am.
can say the answer.
Ma'am,
Quickly share your
question 4 is which girl is playing role of Hanuman? Ma'am, answer is Rupa, but she is telling that answer is Rupa.
Yeah,
Alka,
answer
she
is
was-
also important.
See what happened?
You can
But she was about to play the role of Hanuman, but she fell ill, na? Okay,
Ma'am, I have sent my link. Please see that link.
okay, so that you can
Last link.
see what happened in this manner. Okay, see, you all are going to make questions from. Listen first, all of you. I'm going to mute you all. Fine. You all are going to frame questions from the poem, The Hero, and please don't do any mistake. That would be your final quiz for everyone. So that let's see how much or how many marks they are going to get out of that. Okay. So don't do any mistakes. If you have any doubt in any questions or any answers, let me know so that I can clear you. I will give you the right options and you can go through it. So before 8 p.m. you all are going to send me the link so that I can pass to all. Okay, all of you. Now time is over. We have done quizzes and revision of the poem, The Hero. Okay. Fine, all of you. Take care. Have a good day. Keep learning. Try to get very good marks in this exam. Okay. Try to get out of marks, 40 out of 40 in English and other subject also. Okay. All the best for your exam because this will be your not last actually. Before your exam, you will have revision. Okay. Then you will be free. Bye all of you. Take care.